Amy's Autopsy Report 1,000 subscriber giveaway entry. So Amy's channel is pretty awesome. You have to check it out if you have not. So this giveaway is basically 2 questions and an impression. So definitely check out Amy's Autopsy Report if you have not already checked out her channel. She's pretty rad. She loves the horror stuff, guys. You can just tell she's a genuine person who just is very enthusiastic about this stuff, and that is the best. So anyway, that leads me into the first question. First question is, what do I like about her channel? And that is it. I mean, you just like ooze genuinity. Is that a word? That's not a word. Genuineness? Genuinity? God damn it. Anyway, you can just tell that you're a genuine person. And guys, I just love when people get excited about things like horror. So anyway, that's awesome. I enjoy it. You're doing great. 1,000 subscribers. That's pretty amazing. Yeah, so that's what I like about your channel. It's just that you're just a genuine person, and I like watching you talk enthusiastically about horror stuff. Second was, how did I find out about the channel? And the way I found out about her channel was in the comments of a Killer Flicks post. I don't remember if she started it or someone else started it, but it was, I've seen a few of these posts running before, which is, hey, here's my YouTube channel, check it out, let me know what yours is, so I can check it out. And yeah, that's how I saw it, and I liked it and I subscribed to it. I'm actually double subscribed on 2 YouTube channels. It's kind of cheating, on my Fernie Maker channel and on the Cadaver Club channel. So dual subscriptions to Amy's Autopsy Report. And then she wanted an impression of how she opens her videos. So here it is. Welcome to Amy's Autopsy Report. My name's Amy. That's not very good. I know, I'm not very good. Welcome to Amy's Autopsy Report. My name's Amy. Anyway, it sucks. I know. I'm terrible at impressions. So that's my impression. Anyway, Amy, congratulations. I do like your channel. Watch all your videos. Yeah, congrats on 1,000 subscribers. That's amazing. So, congratulations. And I'll catch you in the next one.